Welcome to Roll a Masterpiece. I'm Mrs. Ramirez, and today we will be featuring the artist Juan Miro. Miro was born in 1893 in Barcelona, Spain. He was an abstract painter, which means his paintings were not realistic. He used colors, shapes, and lines to make his art. Here is one of Miro's paintings titled The Sun. Can you find the sun? What else do you see in this picture? I see a person and maybe a dog down in the bottom right. Notice that he didn't draw an actual person. He used lines and shapes to create the outline of a person. What else do you see in this picture? This artwork is titled Cat Encircled by the Flight of Bird. Can you see the cat? I think it's kind of hard to see where the cat is, but if I had to guess, I would say this is the cat maybe? What about the flight of the bird? Do you see the flight of the bird? To show the flight of the bird, Miro used lines. He also used a lot of shapes in the background. You'll see a lot of these stars, like this, and also a lot of this shape, like an hourglass shape. He also liked to use spirals and even just lines with dots at the end. This artwork is called Peces de Colores, or colorful fish. Do you see any fish? This is a great example of abstract art because I don't see very many fish, but clearly Miro did when he painted it. These long lines with circles right here, like there and there and there. I mean, they could be seaweed. And this right here looks like a cat to me. But I don't know. Maybe Miro meant for it to be a catfish. Today we are going to use dice to create our own Miro artwork. If you don't have a dice at your house, rip a paper into 6 pieces and write the numbers 1 through 6 on each piece. Pause the video and go find a dice or make your own numbers on paper. Here are a couple of examples of artwork done with this dice activity. You can see in the first picture I made 2 characters. I simply drew them smaller, while in the second picture I made the character bigger. How do you think the characters in the first picture are feeling? Look at their eyes and their mouths to help you. How do you think the character in the second picture is feeling? What makes you think he's feeling that? So to create your art piece today, what you're going to do is roll the dice first for your body shape. If you roll a 1, you would draw that body shape. If you roll a 2, you're going to draw that body shape. If you roll a 3, you would draw the figure 8 body. If you roll a 4, you're going to draw that shape. If you roll a 5, you're going to do something like that. It does not have to be exactly that shape, but something with wavy lines that kind of looks like a blob of paint. If you roll a 6, you will draw the hourglass body shape. Go ahead and do that, and then you're going to do the same for the eyes and the arms and the legs. And then I would like for you to roll 2 times for the background shape, so you have 2 different shapes that you're using. You may put the eyes anywhere on your character, and we didn't put a mouth category, so you may draw any kind of mouth on your character that you want. Think about what your character's feeling. If it's feeling happy, what kind of mouth should they have? If they're feeling angry, what kind of mouth should they have? While you're creating your character, pause the video so you can see what to draw. You can also draw curved lines in the background to fill the space. Have fun! Take a photo of your artwork and have your parents send to us to be featured on our social media. On Instagram, you can find us at @DUSDSteam, and on Facebook, DUSD Steam. Thanks for drawing with me, Mrs. Ramirez. Feel free to snap a screenshot of the dice rolls paper so you can draw a Miro-inspired artwork any day of the week.